friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Jell-o. It's a butterfly pea Jell-o with dragon fruit. Yes, perfect for the holidays and perfect to enjoy it with our family. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing butterfly pea Jell-o and dragon fruit, these are the ingredients. 1 condensed milk, 1 cream cheese, 1 unflavored gelatin of the butterfly flour, 1 dragon fruit, granulated sugar, water. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious holiday Jell-o. So let's get started. Okay, I am ready. I want to start by adding the unflavored gelatin into half a cup of water. I'm going to go ahead, mix it very well, incorporate it completely, making sure that there is no lumps. It's going to start getting nice and creamy, nice and thick, and that's exactly how you want it. I'm going to go ahead and just put it aside, let it rest. And when I need it, this gelatin will be ready. Here I am adding some sugar, granulated sugar, some water, and to this I am going to add the butterfly pea petals. I'm going to go ahead, add it in here, and I am going to take it to the stove and start cooking it until it starts releasing all the amazing flavor and color. And it really doesn't take too long when you start noticing the bright blue color. While that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and on my mold, I'm going to add a little bit of the vegetable oil, and with a napkin, I'm going to make sure that I cover and grease all the mold from the bottom and the sides, and I'm going to take the mold to the refrigerator. And here the butterfly pea flour is already releasing the color. Look at this, it's a blue. It's going to start turning a little darker, and that's exactly how you want it. Once you have the desired color, I'm going to remove the petals and I'm going to add the unflavored gelatin into it. I'm going to cook it for 1 more minute, making sure that the gelatin really incorporates into the water. And when this is done, I am going to turn it off and let it rest. Just like that, okay? And here I have my organic dragon fruit. The pulp is white from the inside. It's nice and large, and it's nice and sweet. Every time I slice a dragon fruit, I say to myself, oh my God, this is just amazing. My mouth is watering, and I can't wait to enjoy it. This Jell-o really comes out amazing. You need to try it. The holidays are around the corner, and I am sure your family is really going to love this amazing Jell-o made at home with lots of love. Well, here I'm going to go ahead and start slicing all the dragon fruit as thin or as thick as you would like. Look at this. I'm going to continue slicing, and now I am ready to start adding the Jell-o to my mold. I'm just going to add about 1 inch of the Jell-o. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 minutes. When it's a little bit firm, just slightly firm, I'm going to go ahead and start adding the dragon fruit. You decide how you're going to add it. If you want to add it in strips, if you want to add it in little squares, you decide. But this Jell-o with the butterfly pea comes out amazing. Once you added the dragon fruit, add a little bit of the Jell-o inside, just a little bit. You don't want the dragon fruit to start floating everywhere. Just add a little bit, put it in the refrigerator. 5 minutes later, add a little bit more, and then it will be done. Look at this. Just add a little bit. And now that I've added it, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start making the creamy, delicious mixture. I'm adding the cream cheese, the condensed milk, and I'm gonna add 1 whole condensed milk can. And of course, to this, I am going to add the Jell-o. Look at this. I'm not leaving anything behind, okay? I'm getting all the condensed milk. I have the cream cheese, the condensed milk, and now I am ready to start pouring the Jell-o. I'm gonna add it in here. I'm gonna mix it very well, 3 to 4 minutes, making sure that everything is incorporated. And it really doesn't take too long. When the Jell-o is a little bit firm, now I am ready to add the mixture of the creaminess of this Jell-o. I'm gonna go ahead, add it in here. I'm gonna put some saran wrap on the top, put it in the refrigerator overnight, and the next day I am ready to reveal how the Jell-o came out. Look at this. I'm just pulling the sides in. Make sure that you get your hands a little bit wet so it's easier for you to pull the edges and the plate. Make sure that you add a little bit of water on the plate and then flip it around, and let's reveal how this Jell-o came out. Look at this. It looks amazing. You could see the little pieces of the dragon fruit, and of course, nice and creamy. I can't wait to enjoy it. It looks amazing, and I'm sure that it's gonna taste delicious. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing butterfly pea and dragon fruit Jell-o. Really creamy, really beautiful, but this is the part I really love and enjoy. I want all of you guys to be ready for the holidays. Make this amazing Jell-o at home. But let me stop talking and let me really enjoy this Jell-o. It looks so beautiful that I don't even want to dig in, but I have to. Excuse me. It's really creamy. The flavor of the dragon fruit and the combination of the butterfly pea, just perfection, made at home. I'm telling you guys, you need to make it. You need to enjoy it with your family. The holidays are around the corner. And why not make an amazing dessert? A Jell-o made out of the butterfly pea and the dragon fruit. Like I say, perfection made at home. Just amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.